So, OnePlus is turning up the heat ahead of the OnePlus 15 launch in China by revealing some impressive new details about its upcoming flagship display. While the company had already teased a few features earlier, this latest announcement dives deeper into the screen's design, performance, and cutting-edge tech, and it's clear that OnePlus is going all in on visual quality this year. To start with, the OnePlus 15 will feature a 1.15mm ultra-narrow symmetrical bezel on all four sides, one of the thinnest in the industry. OnePlus says this not only makes the viewing experience more immersive, but also ensures better brightness uniformity and long-term panel durability. The brand has co-developed a brand new X3 luminescent material in partnership with BOE and even established a dedicated high-end production line for this display. Thanks to these upgrades, OnePlus claims the new screen offers a 13% boost in high brightness mode, 11.8% better color accuracy, 10% lower power draw, and an impressive 30% increase in lifespan compared to last year's model. Powering this advanced display is Oppo's self-developed Display P3 chip, which is making its debut in the OnePlus 15. This custom silicon enables an ultra-fast 1.3 microsecond pixel row charging time, nearly double the current industry standard. In simpler terms, it means smoother transitions, faster responsiveness, and better brightness stability, even at ultra-high refresh rates. The display itself is produced on Oppo's Display Science production line, which involves 121 precision manufacturing steps and 39 tuning algorithms, ensuring top-tier visual calibration and consistency. These fresh insights build on previous teasers from OnePlus president Li Lewis, who confirmed that the phone will feature the third-generation Oriental screen, a 165Hz OLED panel, co-developed with BOE. This means gamers and content lovers can expect buttery-smooth visuals and deep, punchy colors. The OnePlus 15 also becomes the first Android phone to support true hardware-level 1-nit minimum brightness, earning a 2V Rhineland Smart Eye Protection 5.0 Gold certification, ideal for comfortable viewing in dark environments. On top of that, OnePlus is integrating a brand new gaming tri-core hardware system designed to boost network stability and cut down on latency during gaming sessions, a big win for mobile gamers. While OnePlus hasn't officially disclosed the display size yet, leaks suggest a 6.78-inch panel, continuing the brand's trend of large, premium displays. The launch date remains under wraps for now, but given the pace of teasers, it's clear that the official reveal isn't far away. With its refined design, advanced display tech, and Oppo-backed engineering, the OnePlus 15's screen is shaping up to be one of the most advanced panels on any smartphone in 2025, setting a new benchmark for the Android flagship experience. So what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.